Hello guys, MT here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove scratches from a motorcycle windshield. And this is my windshield, and there are some pretty deep scratches, and I'm going to remove them. And I will need some water and a sponge. I also have prepared sanding paper. I have three different types, 1500, 2000 and 2500. The surface needs to be wet. That's why I'm using the water and the sponge. And the first sandpaper I'm using it's 1500 sandpaper. It's important to keep the surface wet all the time. And don't press too hard and make this round circular motion moves. And when you clean, it's going to be milky white. Those are micro scratches made by sandpaper. That's okay. We are going to remove them later. And after I finish with the 1500 sandpaper, I did the same area, a little bit wider with the 20,000 sandpaper, and now I'm doing the whole windshield with the 2500 sandpaper. It's important to keep the windshield wet all the time. Don't send the dry spots. And now I'm going to use polish for car headlights. It's the same plastic as this windshield, so it should work fine. And it's the hardest part of the job because I need to polish the whole area and it's going to take a while. For this purpose, it's much better to use polisher, power polisher, but I don't have one, and I definitely need to get one or at least borrow one to finish this windshield. But today I'm going to see how it's going to look after I did what I can with only with my hands. Now let's clean it. And as you can see, it's already looks better. There are some scratches, micro scratches made by sandpaper. I need to polish them well, but the original scratch, the big one, 2 or 3 big ones, are significantly smaller. There are just 2 or 3 dots, small spots here, but that's nothing. Okay guys, I'm done for today. This definitely looks much better, but I'm not completely satisfied. It required a lot of work, sanding and polishing with my hands, and I definitely need to get a power polisher. So stay tuned and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.